So, Ellen, thank you for asking me to share a little bit about what we're up to and at Vivid-Pix and how it plays into all the story stuff. So, vivid-pics.com, VIVID-PIX.com, has a host of content. We, of course, have our software that we have restored to improve old photos and documents and add metadata to your images. Land and Sea Scuba, for those of you who are divers and have underwater photos, does a wonderful job. In Memory Station, so our software is now able to scan and separate images utilizing virtually any scanner. So literally you can use a HP all-in-one scanner, lay down multiple images, and it will automatically crop and separate those images into individual images. And then we, of course, have the Memory Station utilizing our Ricoh SV600 scanner. So Memory Station, we actually are capturing and preserving the stories of you all. And one of those activities is in America, we're celebrating our 250th anniversary this year. So I'll speak to that in a moment. Within Family Matters, we've developed a full program that includes education as well as the scanning and the capability to scan, restore, record voice, create MP4 movies, and with all the scan information to have it transcribed. So the text audio is dropped directly into the image file. So that metadata is always retained with the image. We also create a .txt file so that in a separate file, all the transcribed knowledge is available to you. Education is the page that I'm on right now. And there is just a ton of education that we have on reminiscence therapy. We acquired Reunions magazine for family, class, and military reunions coming up on 5 years. So
Yeah, I
lots
remember that.
there. Yeah. We did a program for librarians so genealogy librarians, for them to be able to have more education on how to provide genealogy services to their patrons. We've got a host of different activities for families, of course, software tutorials, and then we have a bunch of education on how to tell our stories. So education is huge. And then solutions are applying various technologies together in order to be able to create solution. So let me share briefly what we're going to be spending a lot of time on over the next year, which is our 250th.
I recently realized that I recently found that I have several patriots in my genealogy, even though I'm Canadian. So
Is that right?
I'm kind of excited about the 250th anniversary. Yeah.
So we're bringing all this together, and we're kicking this off literally as we speak, of preserving America's stories. So many folks know our Memory Station to include our scanner, but what many people don't realize is that that can actually be used with virtually any other scanner. And now we've furthered it so that you're able to scan autocrop photos and documents in individual files automatically, then to be able to restore and enhance those images, to record voice stories and then transcribe to searchable text, and then to create these shareable video stories for family and community archives. So we're describing this as your town, your people, your stories. And if folks head out to the memorystation.com page, the world will open up on all the details of what that means, and also to be able to share their stories of the 250th.
Oh, wow, that's exciting.
It's pretty fun. And I
Yeah.
think we'll probably be seeing each other at Roots Tech here
Yeah.
in a
I've
couple
got
of weeks.
I just need to book my air flight, but yeah, I'm going to be going.
Wonderful.
So, yeah. So, well, thank you so much, Rick, for all of the explanations of memory therapy. I didn't know a lot about that. Love that. I'm gonna delve into that a little bit more, and for your experience and your knowledge about photographs and how they help people, uh, and why we should scan things and get them preserved, in a digital format, because otherwise, those, like I always think about my children and what they're going to, when they're trying to dismantle my life, what they're going to toss out. And that's what I'm always afraid of is, what are other people's families tossing out that are even important to me, you know? So,
Well, I appreciate your time and again your friendship and the our slogan of "Don't let your memories fade." It is our images are fading, so we must digitize them. We want to improve them, and then don't let your memories fade for yourself and for your future generations. I couldn't agree with you more.
yeah. Well, thank you very much. And see
Thanks,
you at
all.
Roots Tech.
See you there.
Yeah.